Allie Grace will never get any more money from me, period. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae Exo, and I'm back with another video. So today is kind of an ironic, funny video, you guys, because as you can tell by the title, I am done giving Allie Grace any more of my coins, period. This is not a sponsored video, obviously, because I'm really about to bash them, but it is what it is. I am so fed up with Allie Grace to this point to where I felt the need to have to make this video. Like, I know one of my most popular videos on my channel is a review on this hair. And I was saying how I loved it and it was just beautiful, and Allie Grace has been my favorite ever since then. But I don't know, I really think that they changed their vendor, because around sometime last year, their hair quality just started going down the drain, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and spill this little tea for anybody that's trying to order from Allie Grace. So let's start with my straight hair. So over Christmas break, it's January now, so last month I ordered some straight hair, Brazilian straight hair from them, and it was the long black hair that I ended up dyeing red. So when I first got the hair, you know, everything's all nice and fine or whatever. So I was like getting so much shedding, and I said that in one of my videos too. I said that in the review I did for that hair, and if you guys haven't seen that video, I will leave that video in the description below so y'all can check that out. But I did a review for them. Hello. Okay, sorry about that. So I don't even remember where I stopped off at, but for me, oh, I was talking about the straight hair. So the straight hair was all nice and pretty or whatever, but I was getting so much shedding out of that hair, it made no freaking sense. And I was just so confused because it was straight hair, so I didn't understand what was going on. Like, it's not that it's getting tangled or anything, it's just once I brush it, it just sheds, and I was just so confused. So I dyed the hair red, and I was assuming the, like, because I hadn't really washed, I don't think I washed the hair, the black, when it was black. So when I dyed the hair red, I didn't bleach it directly. Like, I guess it was bleaching the L'Oreal Hot Colors or whatever. But I was thinking that, okay, the hair was going to be like super brittle or whatever the case may be. So once I washed the hair out, washed the dye out, whatever, the hair felt better dyed than what it did when it was black. So I was like, okay, maybe this is the answer to my shedding problems. But no, it still shedded all the freaking time. So it still sheds, by the way. It hasn't stopped, you know. So it's just sitting in my closet because, like, who has time to just be picking up red hair everywhere they go? Like, every time I brush my hair, shedding. Every time I walk around, shedding. I run my fingers through it, it sheds. Like, it sheds non-stop. I'm pretty sure if I were to wear the hair every day straight for a year, by the time it hits that, by the time it gets close to that 1 year mark, there will be no hair in that wig at all. And that's ridiculous. My roommate ordered their loose wave hair, and I made a wig for her and I put it in her head. Mind you, I did not cut any wefts. I don't cut my wefts at all. I do the flip over method, fold over method, whatever you want to call it. And it's a bob, so it's like, it stops like right here. The hair doesn't tangle as much as we thought, but she too has the whole shedding and tangling problem. So at this point, I'm like, this can't just be me. Like, I knew it wasn't just me. I knew I wasn't just tripping. So with that being said, because y'all, when I tell y'all I was so gung-ho for Allie Grace, like, anybody that asked me where I get my hair from, I was so happy to recommend them to Allie Grace because they have been so good the other times that I ordered hair from them. So my other roommate, so Amber is the one with the bob, and then Turk had bought loose wave hair just like this hair. And so she doesn't even wear her wig like at all. She hates the wig so much because, like, the nape area back here, it tangles so bad, like to the point where she just can't even deal with the hair. And on top of it tangling, like, of course she has to now detangle the hair every, like, so often, like probably 4 times a day, just so that it won't be a ball in the back of her neck. On top of having to detangle it, it comes with, like, she's brushing the hair constantly. She has to constantly detangle the hair, so obviously it's going to shed when she's doing that. So I said all that to say that Allie Grace has really been going through like a a decline, I guess. Their hair quality has really gone down the drain, like I said in the beginning. Their prices are still good, but and the prices are still good. The sizes of the weft are still good. You know, the texture of the hair is still good. It's just nobody is going to, that's what we look forward to when we're looking for hair. We're not looking, because I mean, everybody has pretty decent, like everybody's deep waves basically look the same. Everybody body wave basically look the same. So I will rather go get body wave from a different hair company that's not going to tangle and not going to shed all the time than spend my money at Ali Grace, where I'm going to get something that I have to constantly manipulate every day for it to look good. And that's not what I'm looking forward to. So with that being said, I detangled this hair right before I made this video. I'm just going to run my fingers through it real quick so y'all can see like how it has already tangled in the back and how much hair I get out of it when I literally just detangled it before this video. So let's watch. Okay, so just for me lightly detangling, my finger detangling at that, so it's gonna be less breakage with finger detangling, but just for me finger detangling this hair when I literally just detangled this hair before this video, like this is ridiculous. Hold on, because there's still some more coming out. Wait a minute. Like, I'm fed up. I'm not buying any more hair from this hair company ever again, I swear. So literally, y'all, I promise you, I kid you not, I detangled this hair like 15 minutes ago. And all jokes aside, this is how much hair just came out of this just now. That is ridiculous. And it's like long strands too, so it's not just like, okay, pieces are breaking. It's like they're coming from the weft. So this was poorly wefted. Like, their hair is like very low quality in being wefted. Like, these are long strands of hair. So that means that when they're constructing these wefts, they're making their machine wefting these wefts, it's not done good enough to where the hair is staying in the freaking bundles. Like, the hair is falling out of the stitches, which is not okay. So of course the hairs are pretty. Like, I get compliments on it all the time, like, this your hair is so cute, where you get your hair from, blah blah blah. Don't worry about it, y'all. Please don't worry about it, because I don't recommend it to nobody. Ali Grace, I'm done, period, son. No, but for real, all jokes aside, I'm done with Ali Grace. Y'all won't get nothing else from me. I don't care. And nobody can ever say that, oh, you was making those videos for, you know, for views, or it was sponsored, those videos were sponsored. Ali Grace has never sponsored not one of my videos. When I mention them in my videos, it's because that's my true opinions. Nobody can say, oh, they paid you to say that, or oh, you only saying that because you're getting a check, or oh, you only saying that because, you know, I don't know, some dumb stuff. But I promise y'all, any hair I have ever gotten from Ali Grace, I have paid for it with my own money, with my own freaking money. And it's crazy to say that I get free hair from all these different companies, and they don't even disappoint me as much as Ali Grace has been disappointing me for like the last year now. And I don't know what's going on. Not the last year, maybe, you know, the last half of a year, last 6 months. Like, I really don't know what is going on at all, and I'm not pleased with it at all. So I really just wanted to make this video for anybody that's out there trying to buy some hair from Ali Grace. Like, maybe you've seen some of my videos before and you're like, oh, I want to try Ali Grace. Don't do it, because I really truly think they changed hair vendors. Like, something has changed, because I had never had this problem before. Never had shedding problems, never had tangling problems, especially with straight hair. That's what's really blowing me, y'all. It's the straight hair that really, when I really started to notice what was going on, there is no way my straight hair should be tangling and shedding as much as it has been doing. I know how to take care of my hair. I do people's hair every day. Like, I'm a hairstylist. I do hair. I know how to take care of hair. So it's not me. It's obviously the company. And I'm glad that I've realized it now, so that I won't keep, you know, promoting this hair company, keep promoting Ali Grace, and it's not I would want people to recommend me. So I wouldn't recommend it to nobody else. So this is just my personal opinions. I don't know how y'all feel about the hair. If y'all have any issues with Allie Grace, comment it down below. Let me hear what y'all got to say about it, because something has to be done. And it's going to take people like me making this video for them to really see, like, okay, it's something wrong. It's really something going on. Like, somebody who been down with y'all since day one. Like, I've been riding with y'all for 2 years now. I've been rocking with Allie Grace, bro. But now it's just like, I can't deal. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for me. I just did an unboxing video for Yolisa hair, so if you guys want to see that video, check the description down below and it will be there waiting on you guys. Yeah, y'all, it's just, I'm dismayed. I really don't know. So I'm about to go ahead and end this video because I'm about to go ahead and dye this hair. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. So until next time, peace.
I don't really want no food.
Hey yo, Draco got that kickback. When they kick back, you can't get your shit back. In fact, it's that bitch that I hate small talk. I don't fuck with.